Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 15th, 2025, and we're going to be taking some Spanish lavender cuttings here today. So I have 3 cuttings here, and I already removed the blossom tip from this one here because it was starting to try and bloom. And you can see here I have removed all of the lower leaves that would be below the soil surface. And I'm going to try and show you this here. Here we go. Because we don't want any leaves below the soil surface, so we're just taking off any leaves that'll be below that. Okay. Up there a little bit. There we go. So your roots are going to come out leaf nodes right here. So I have a few of them that will be below the soil surface. And I have my soil blocks over here, and these are prepared. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to stick these cuttings in and push my soil in around this. And these are already nice and moist. Now, as my cuttings are rooting, I want to make sure that they do not dry out. There we go. And these should take root within 2 to 4 weeks. If it's a hardwood cutting, it could take a little bit longer. Okay, so today is April the 19th, and I was checking on my Spanish lavender cuttings, and you can see we have roots growing out the bottom. So this one here, these are ready to be transplanted. You can see it's starting to put out its new growth here. I don't see anything on this one yet that they're coming out the bottom, but yep, they've rooted. These were put in later, but that's how you can take your Spanish lavender cuttings and they will root for you. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.